I did a good job.
You better hope. Let's see what he says. This is to you.
Cool. This is a cool laptop.
Let's see what we got here, Mimi. Oh, stop. Look, I think it's his webcam or something. You gotta see it. Hold on, here it comes.
What?
See, message from Santa to Sean Rose. Back up, somebody. See, what's that say right there?
A short road.
Oh my goodness.
I can see it.
Up to the worst weather conditions. My elves worked extremely hard in order to link up the North Pole to the 7 continents. So no snowstorm can keep me away from talking to you, even though
How freaking you do?
right here in the North Pole, and you are at home in Maryland.
Maryland? How's he know he's there? Elkridge.
Oh, look at that.
Come on in. Come on in. I'm so happy you came to see me this year. Now, so you've been a good little girl since last Christmas.
Tell him.
Let's have a look.
Let's see if you've been good.
Here we are. Oh, it seems you've been very good.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
Blonde hair.
You want blonde hair? Is
That's
that
a
you?
picture of it.
You are 5 years old. Is that right?
Is that right?
I see here that you've been trying really hard to listen to your teachers.
Wow.
I'm very proud of you. But you have to keep it up, you know, because nothing gets past Santa. Santa also knows that you would like him to bring you a certain musical instrument.
It says drums and beanbag chairs.
Wow.
Cool.
Earrings.
Is that what you really want?
You took the time to come and see me again this year. I'll let you in on another one of my secrets. Many kids wonder how I know who's naughty and who's nice. Even though I can't tell you exactly how I managed to keep track of how you and all the kids around the world behave, I'll give you a hint. I get a lot of help from my elves. They are my eyes and my ears all around the world, all year long. I hope my secret is safe with you. Here, darling. I'm on the PNP. I'm coming, darling, coming. Oh dear, it's already time to go and feed the reindeer. I have to go now, but I'm very happy I had a chance to talk to you. Now continue to be a good girl and have a Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year. Ho, 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 ho!
Wow, that was nice.
Sent that to you. I told you, me and Mommy.
Had a picture of you? And
Yeah, you see it in this book?
Yeah.
How'd you get that picture, Sean? Isn't
Was
that
that
cool?
Ocean City?
You know, it must be
He
magic.
saw you all the way in Ocean City?
See?
Are you kidding me? You better be good. Should I email back, tell him you're bad?
No.
Let's email back.
No.
You sure?
No. Yeah.
I'll tell him you won't go to bed and all like that. You'll be in bed. Nice catch, Dad.
I'm good.
You sure?
Hi, Sean. Say Merry Christmas. Sean.
Merry Christmases.
I love you, Sean.